Hello, everyone, and welcome to our submission for the RSK Sovereign Hackathon, which has been hosted on Gitcoin in collaboration with Covalent. So, we have used the Covalent APIs to fetch the data from the RSK blockchain. Upon entering the user's address and the chain ID, which is the default testnet chain ID that we have used at the moment, and there is an address that I've used to deploy some contracts and to create some transaction. So you can see that if the user wants, they can change that as well. Of course, the chain ID would eventually become a drop down. They can add the address and see the different information. So the first thing that you can see is, of course, our wallet. So you can see the transaction, the token balances on our wallet. So these are test tokens, so you can't see any dollar balance. But if we type an address, that would be a mainnet address, you can see that as well. You can see that there are 70 TRIF tokens and 0.05 RBTC, both of which we have gotten from the faucet, of course. The second important thing in a wallet is the transactions. So you can see all the transactions that have taken place through the wallet. What is interesting about this particular wallet is you can also see what type of transactions they are, whether they are value transfer, whether it is a smart contract creation, whether a smart contract interaction, again, a value transfer. So you can see different insights like, of course, the transaction hash, the from address, the to address, the value, if there was any that was being transferred, the gas spent, and the timestamp as well, right? So the type of the transaction is something interesting that we have added in the dashboard. You can also see these different widgets representing different information about your transactions, the number of transactions, contract creation, value transfers, again, contract interaction, total value transferred in USDT, total value of transfers, the average gas spent. There is also an interesting parameter called most interacted contract address. So, if you're frequently interacting with a contract address using your wallet, so it could be a DApp that you have deployed using your wallet, and somebody is frequently interacting with the smart contracts created by you, you can also see those kind of insights in this particular wallet. We have a page for NFT, but we do not have any NFTs in this wallet. So if there are any NFTs in this wallet, they would appear here as well. And then there is a spot prices API from Covalent where we have picked up the spot prices of the various tokens that are being provided under this API. So this is just for the user to kind of take a look at the current spot price. So yeah, here is our submission, and we are extremely interested to get the feedback from the team and the community as to what more would you like to see on your wallet. We'd be happy to add those features, some analytics features that we have built as a part of our analytics dashboard as well. If any of them are relevant, we're happy to pull them here and add that as a part of the wallet insights as well. So yeah, thanks everyone. Thank you, RSK Sovereign and Covalent team, for giving us this opportunity to take part in this hackathon. I am really excited to submit this project, and I am thankful to my teammates Ravi and Vikas who helped build this entire dashboard and bring this project to life.